Hello there, this is Rahil from All About Affiliate Marketing. In today's video, we'll talk about the affiliate program of Kohls. So let me take you to the website, which is kohls.com. For the ones who don't know about them, Kohls is a retail department store chain offering clothing, home goods, beauty products, and more. Their website provides online shopping, exclusive deals, rewards, order tracking, and store locator. Customer can also access personalized promotions and choose between in-store pickup or home delivery. With a user-friendly platform and various shopping options, Kohl's offers a convenient retail experience. So what you're waiting for? If you're from the US and if you want to purchase something, you want to shop, you can come to the website, explore all their amazing product and buy anything for yourself if you like. But that's not exactly why we are here. We are here to earn money from Kohl's as usual. Like how do we do with other brands? So how do you do that? You simply have to join the affiliate program of Kohls, start promoting them to your audience, your traffic, and when you bring sales to them, you will get the commission. So who can join the affiliate program of Kohls? I didn't find any restrictions at all. So regardless of your country as an affiliate, you can apply to be part of Kohls affiliate program. To the consumers of which country can you promote to get a commission? Well, there's a restriction for that. So you would only be able to earn commission if you're bringing sales to them from United States of America, since they are available there only. So let's learn more about their affiliate program. For that, you can scroll down to the footer section, and over here you can click on affiliate program, which will take you to this page. I'm going to mention the link in the video description. You can come to this page, you can read to have better understanding of the affiliate program, but still I'm going to cover most of it. So how do you join the affiliate program of Kohls? For that, let me take you to the website called impact.com. Now, why Impact and what does it has to do with Kohls? So Impact is one of the top affiliate marketing network out there. What is an affiliate marketing network? They work as a mediator between brands and affiliates. That means if you want to join the affiliate program of any other brand out there, you have to join the respective affiliate marketing network. So in our case, we have to join Impact as an affiliate to apply for the affiliate program of Kohls. So Impact call affiliate as publisher, so don't get confused. Now, how do you get an account with them? You simply click on request a demo from the top right hand side, which will take you to this page. Over here, you can look at the right hand side. You can go to for creators, influencers, and publishers and click on sign up as a partner. And then you can fill up the form, give all the details, and get yourself an affiliate account. Now, I understand that many nuances involved, especially when creating an account like an affiliate account. So don't you worry, I got you covered. I recently had created a video on how to create Impact affiliate account. You'll find a link in the video description. You can click on the link, follow the instructions from there, and get yourself an affiliate account. Once you have an affiliate account with them, you can come to their website once again. You can click on sign in, and it will take you to the sign in page, enter your credential. Then it will take you to something called affiliate dashboard. Now, this is a place where you would be able to interact with different brands out there, not just Kohls, but the focus of the video is Kohls, so we will only talk about their affiliate program. For that, you can click on brands and you can click on find brands, which will take you to the section. You can click on all brands, and over here in the search bar, you can type in Kohls. And followed by that, you can click on enter. You will see the tile. You can click on the tile to see more details. And as you can see, you could get 3% commission. Now that's great. If you click on view terms, you will have better understanding of the commission bifurcation. You can click here, which will take you to this page. Over here, you can see there are some categories on which they do not provide any commission. As you can see, 0%. But other than that, you will get 3% as usual on the sale amount. You can scroll down to even read the agreement. You can click here to read the agreement. And once you've read it, you can come to the section once again, and you can look at the left-hand side. You will see more details. And if you want to reach out to the affiliate program team of Kohls, you can click on this envelope icon, and you can also write an email to them. Now, if you click on details, you will have more details available. As you can see, with the service, United States, so we talked about it. You would only be able to earn commission if you bring sales to them from United States consumer. And if you scroll down, you will see more details. So unfortunately, they are not open to influencers. That means if you have social media account, you might not be able to get approval from them since they do not allow influencers. Now, let's say you have read it all, and if you want to apply to them, for that, click on apply. And over here, you can see tell Kohls why you want to work on this campaign. Now, this is very important because whatever you write here, they could help you in getting the approval from Kohls. So ensure you write like how you plan to promote Kohls, why you being an affiliate with them could be helpful to them. So for me, I have already written, I'm going to paste it here. In your case, you can also write something about you and your promotional method and then click on apply. When you do that, your application to the affiliate program team of Kohls would go. They'll see whether you're a good fit for them or not, and based on that, they'll give you the approval. And sometimes, unfortunately, you will get this message: the account did not meet the application criteria and was auto rejected. So in case if you get message like this, you simply click on this envelope icon and you write an email to them. You can tell them that while applying to the affiliate program, you're getting auto rejected, so they may want to consider you and manually review your application, and based on that, they give you the approval. So you still have that option available. Now, let's say either you applied by clicking on apply button or you wrote an email to them. You can give them a couple of days to a couple of weeks time. And during that time, they will review your application and they'll see whether you could fit for them or not, and will give you the approval accordingly. You'll be notified via an email. Once you get the approval, you can come to your Impact Affiliate account once again. You can click on branch, you can click on my branch, and it will take you to the section. Now, this is a place where you would be able to see all the approved brands, including Kohls, assuming you get the approval from Kohls. Now, you got the approval, then what? Then you can start promoting them. But to promote them, you can't just take any link from their website. You have to use tracking link. How do you get the tracking link? For that, you can come to the home page. You can look at the right-hand side and you can scroll down to the section create and share link. Now, assuming you have been approved by Kohls, you can click on this drop down. You can select Kohls. Just for the demo purpose, I'm gonna select SEMrush, but in your case, you can select Kohls and you can put the landing URL in here. So let's say I want to create a tracking link for this page of Kohls. I'm gonna copy this link and I'm gonna paste it in here, and then I can click on create and this will create a link for me. But since I haven't selected Kohls in here, so that's why it's not. But in your case, assuming you will select Kohls and you will put the link, you'll click on create, it will create a tracking link for you. Now, you don't want to create tracking link, but rather you want to use existing ones. In that case, you can click on content from the menu. You can click on assets, which will take you to this page. Over here, you can look at the left-hand side and you can select one of the brands from here. So in your case, since you have been approved by Kohls, you can select Kohls and you will be able to see different links available for them. Now, depending on you, if you want to use image link, video link, email, coupons, you could click on any of these and look at the links accordingly. Now, assume that this instead of SEMrush, I have selected here Kohls. In your case, you can also select Kohls. You can click on image and you would be able to see image link. Now, let's say you like this link, which we are assuming as a link of Kohls. You can click here and you will have three options. You will have the option to download this GIF file so that you can integrate on your website along with your tracking code. Second option is asset code. If you want to get HTML link code, you can copy it from here. You can also click on iframe to get the iframe code. But both of these you have to integrate from the backend of your website or blog. Third option is your tracking link. You can directly copy the tracking link and integrate it accordingly. So this is how you can create or get the tracking links of your Kohls affiliate program, and you can start promoting them. But the next question arises, where exactly can you promote them? There are many ways, but still I'm going to cover a few. So one way is website. Once you got the approval from Kohls, up to you. You can put the advertisement anywhere on your website that you feel like is more suited for your audience. Different kind of website, different kind of taste of audience, and different place you can put the advertisement according to you and to your audience choice. A second way is blog. Now, blog could be amazing because you could write different blog posts about different products of Kohls, and within the blog post, you can put your tracking link. So this way, when people would read your blog post, and if they like the product of Kohls, they'll click on the link, they will make the sell, and you will get the commission. The third way is shopping website. Now, people love shopping website. They want to come to these websites to shop, isn't it? So maybe you create sections for different categories of products, and then within those categories, you put the products from Kohls. So this way, when people are coming to your website, they're exploring different products of Kohls, they're clicking on it, they'll buy it, and you'll get the commission. So this is how you can promote them. There are many ways, but these are some of the basic ones. Now, let's say you started bringing sales to them. Where would you see your performance? For that, you have to come to your affiliate dashboard once again, and you can look at your home page. You can see the snapshot here. So over here, you will see your clicks, actions, payouts, sell amount, conversion rate, and earning per click. And if you want to have detailed report, you can click on report and you can click on any of these reports. But let's say if you want to see performance by brand, just click on performance by brand, and over here you will see performance by brand. You'll see the trend. You can update the filters accordingly. And if you scroll down, you'll see clicks and action would basically be number of sales. So this is how you can run any of the reports from reports. What about the commission? So all the accumulated commission you would be able to see on your top right hand side on your affiliate account. Now, from my test account, I can see this accumulated commission. Same way for you, you can see the accumulated commission on the top right hand side. And then you'll click here, you will see a different section. You will click on invoices. Here you would be able to see all the invoices that Impact has sent to Kohls on your behalf. Over here in pending, you would be able to see pending commission that is yet to be received by brand. Balance would have the commission that is basically received commission from brand and has been accumulated for Impact to issue to you. Now, for you to get this commission, you have to ensure you have updated your payment details. And to have your payment details updated, you can look at the bottom left-hand side. You can click on these three dots, which will take you to this section. Over here, you can come to finance section and you can click on bank account and update your banking details. So this way, you will receive the commission from Impact via electronic fund transfer to your bank account. So this is how you find the affiliate program of Kohls. You apply to them, you get the approval, start promoting them, start earning commission. And this brings us to the end of the video. I hope the video was helpful to you and helped you in learning all about the affiliate program of Kohls. For me, if you got any question related to affiliate marketing, or if you want me to create a video like this on the affiliate program of any other brand, do let me know in the comment section and I'll try my best to create a video on them. In the meantime, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click on the bell icon so that any video I create like this, you get notified for the same. Thanks for watching.